Hi, I'm Phil Smith and this is my AC Hairdryer with Diffuser. I'm now going to show you how to use it to get the best curls. Put it on a medium speed and a medium heat and just cup the hair very gently into the top of the diffuser like this.